Tonight, just the fact that our web series has been nominated, going viral. I hope. I think the fact that it's been nominated, I think we won half the battle because that means it went viral. So that's a good thing. And it's just going to be a fun evening, meeting the rest of the creators of web content, chilling out, hanging, sharing a few laughs. It's just another evening to have fun. Yeah. Thank you.
No, no. I'm going to say I'm here to cheer for you. Generally. No, but your film is nominated. I think it's a wonderful thing that Network 18 is doing by honoring films that are independent, that are made with love and passion, and have some of the most incredible performances, such wonderful stories that often get neglected by mainstream award shows. So I'm really proud and I'm very excited for all the nominations because each one of them is a truly remarkable film in its own right. Uh, I think it really depends on what awards you're attending. I am very excited tonight because we're honoring really good cinema and really good performances and creative expression. So, but when it's a different award, the association is different. You know, if it's an award that you've been watching since a child, then you feel like that awe and that reverence. That, oh my God, I can't believe I'm actually here, and it happens every year. So it's interesting. I think an award that really always stands out in actor's career is their debut award, their first award that they get in their life, because it's something that's really really special, given that it's your first, and and the fact that it's an experience that you get for the first time, the high, the euphoria of winning, the anticipation of the time to come. So it's always very special to win as a debut.
अच्छा मेरे साथ ही क्योंकि अभी जो जैसे डिजिटल जो भी वेब सीरीज वगैरह आते हैं उनके लिए भी डिजिटल अवार्ड स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि आप इंडस्ट्री खुले दिल से नए हैं जितने भी नए टैलेंट्स आ रहे हैं हर किसी को इक्वल मौका मिल रहा है अपना टैलेंट दिखाने का लाइक जैसे पहले फिल्मों में काफ़ी सब जानते हैं ऑडिशन वगैरह करके जाना लेकिन अब नए जितने भी टैलेंट होते हैं सबको इक्वल मौका मिल रहा है
Bilkul, I think the digital medium has really opened up opportunity for many people, writers, directors, actors, editors, cinematographers, वो सब अपने बल पे कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हैं और अगर उन्हें अवार्ड्स मिल रहे हैं, उन्हें सराहाया जा रहा है तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है बिकॉज आई थिंक हकीकत ये है कि द फ्यूचर इज़ इन डिजिटल. हम सब जानते हैं हाउ मच फिल्म स्ट्रगल टू इवन make it through a box office or a theatrical release. So, digital is the future. It's important for us to recognize that and appreciate it.
Can we see you on digital platform?
Of course, you will. Yes, you will. I will be doing a lot of digital work. I know everybody's still calling it. Everybody's confused. Should we be calling it Dutt or should we be calling it Sanju? No, I can't clear the confusion. Don't catch me there. Until my producers clear the confusion, I can't do any such thing. I'm very excited. I think each one of us who's worked on the film is really excited. It's a journey that has been filled with great teamwork and some really memorable moments for each one of us. And I think all of us collectively can't wait for the audiences to watch this film. As they will be, because there's a lot of preconceived notions about an individual's life, and then of course the association or the preconceived notions about the filmmaker. So there will be a lot of debate on that, which is good. All comment on the film is healthy for the film. Thank you.